What is going on, everybody? Back with another video. We're going to be doing some just a quick little ride. It's getting really hot, and let's get it warmed up. Woo, sound mean. There you go. It's looking good. It's dirty though. It got a little dirty. Damn. Yeah, it needs to be wiped down. We're gonna take it a little easy today too, because I ain't really got my gear on. Got my t-shirt on today. It's hot, man. Got my gloves, got my pants. I'm wearing my niceys today, as you can see. Let's go, baby. So we're gonna park up real quick. Just trying to get all that dust off these tires. Over here real quick so we can discuss what we've been doing, right? Gotta be careful on this road. It's really uneven. So yeah, we got some things to discuss. I'm gonna pull over up here for a second. Head over to this little spot over here real quick. Ooh, the bike is just feeling good today, man. Let's go over here and look at something real quick. All right, let's discuss something real quick. All right, baby. So, you got the Gixxer here. All right. Got my pants on, got my grip on, got my fringes on. It's Saturday, baby. It is the Sabbath, all right? For everybody that don't know, just getting a little pre-ride in before we celebrate the Sabbath, man, and get it in with the Lord. So all praises to the Most High, Yahweh, for giving me this time, giving me this chance, giving me this opportunity to own such a beautiful machine, man. You know what I'm saying? Just got to stay safe on it and be vigilant, you know what I'm saying? But look, this thing is officially flashed, baby. Went over there to Steadfast Performance over here. They're down here. Lewis brought the company over from Houston, my hometown. He's got another spot open here now. He did the flash for me, and we're gonna ride around on it and learn it until we move to that next step of getting dyno tuned. And I just kind of want to see what he's working with. see the people that he's serviced before and kind of just see how their experience went with their dyno tuning and whatnot. So yeah, that's gonna be fun, man. But he flashed this thing and immediately it felt like a beast, and I feel so bad because I shot the video, but before I got ready to leave, I was on my bike and I was trying to get my bike out of there, and they're like on an incline. It was very hard. You'll see the video. But I tried to start the camera and I didn't realize that I had already started recording. So when I pressed down on the record button, it stopped the record button. So I rode the entire way home. You guys missed my first impressions, everything. I was like so mad, man. I was so mad. But we're gonna get one right now. Like I said, it's flash and it feels pretty freaking amazing. One thing I do want to try though is I want to turn off the traction control, and we're gonna try that. We're gonna try this thing with no traction control. I've been riding with it on one, and it's fine, but I kind of want to try the bike now and see what it's like without the traction control. What's crazy is that whatever the flash did, it opened the bike up. I mean, it has almost no lag, dude. In any gear, it doesn't do the things that I was complaining about before, which weren't really huge complaints, but it was something that you can definitely notice, right? You can definitely notice that this thing is restricted, especially after you get the flash. I would tell anybody, before you start going to spend a bunch of money on different parts, before you go spend money on rims, before you go spend money, no, you can get your exhaust first. But instead of buying all these extra pieces, fairings, carbon fiber, if you put an exhaust on your bike and you put an air filter in there, go get a flash. That's just it. Just get a flash. Don't spend $450 to $500 on nothing else. Just get the flash and you will not be disappointed. All right, let's go, P. Troy. Who want war, baby? Let's go, man. Let's go. Ooh. Yeah, this thing is mean, bro. Let's go. All right, which way we gonna go? Dude, it's a kid, the gunslinger. Oh, that was weird. I switched. The entire gear disappeared when I went into second. That was weird. Now we don't have traction control, so I am gonna take it easy because it already feels pretty wicked. So yo, I ain't gonna lie, man, I was a little scared. once I jumped on the bike at first, I was just like, holy shit. Like, as soon as you twist the throttle, it was like, and the major thing that I noticed was fuel cut on the D-cell, right? That flash cut the fuel, or that flash took that away. Because, yeah, fucking idiots, dude. What the fuck is going on up here? I'm telling you, man, it's always something. It's always something. Oh, they were nice. I was mad at first because they crossed the double white line. But golly, dude, it is crazy up there. What the flex? Go, baby. We ain't waiting over there. So yeah, it is very, very responsive. Baby. What's up, Cody C? That dude is on his phone. Unbelievable. For the ATL, you know the business. My dick is hard as hell. Yes, sir. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going. I'm just driving, baby. Oh, I do gotta be back. Dang. I gotta be back soon. Got my daughter has a soccer game today. Gotta make sure we go to that.